Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Fatima Fayaz. Our topic for presentation is based on Safai Group. Safai Group is a story of Mia Muhammad Abdullah and his inspiration, his father and grandfather. This is a story that highlights about importance of ideas, business and values of Islam. This story inspires today's youth to start something of their own that will lead them to further success and how they would be able to work for welfare and stability of society they live in. This slide highlights about the journey from Chinnot to Dhaka. As Mia Muhammad Abdullah, great grandfather, was into the business of landlordism, but when his grandfather saw that they cannot live up to this earning, so he thought of something and started business. As someone said that, great mind, thoughts of great idea. He went to Dhaka and started his own business of skins. After some time, the business was at its height. So for his help, he called all his four sons, which he then sent to four different cities to expand his business and reach. As there were no factories for this at that time, so he used to indulge the skin into salt and then sent it to foreign lands. The four cities that he sent his sons to: Dhaka, Chinnod, Calcutta, and Chittagong. The business were at its height until 1947, but unfortunately due to death of his two uncle and his grandfather in 1951, business went down. At that time, Mia Muhammad Abdullah was at the age of adolescence, so he left the business of skin and started having training of yarn. Fortunately, his cousins moved and started business of their own and asked for his help. He accepted the offer and joined them as partners. In no meantime, almost in 1960s, the business of yarn was touching heights. After having his own license, he opened his own mill in Jaisur, then in Dhaka, and then one in Bahawalpur in 1966. But due to some of political and cultural issues, they had to left India and move to Karachi. Further slides will be explained by Furqan Mukhtar, roll number 12426.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Islamia Hospital Kolkata. Mia Abdullah used to say that once the people of Kolkata went to his great grandfather and asked him to invest in opening hospital for the welfare of society. He gave the building placed in Chitra Avenue to build hospital. A hospital was constructed at his place which then reached heights. Quaid-e-Azam also visited this place once or twice, and name plate of Haji Muhammadin is placed on the main gate of hospital. This hospital worked for the health and betterment of poor and rich equally. Future. They used to work hard. They also worked with professionalism. When one's business is approached with hard work and professionalism, it reaches the heights of success. He said that he has complete faith that coming generation will take their work to next level. He said not only us but all the people will get to heights of success if they work on their abilities and ideas of business, and there is a lot of work that is needed to be done in Pakistan. He mentioned the cute quote of poet Allama Iqbal that if it is slightly moist, this soil is very fertile. Thanks.